Hello students, welcome to Sourav classes. Today we will be solving the NBHM PhD scholarship exam questions on the January 2018 paper. We will be solving the questions on the section 4, which is the calculus and differential equation portion of the section of the paper. Let's start off with question 4 of the section 4. In this question we have to find out the general solution of the differential equation. The differential equation that we have been given is y into y double dash is equal to y dash whole square. So let us write down the equation, differential equation. So that is y into y double dash equal to y dash whole square. Taking y dash over to the left side, we can write y double dash by y dash is equal to y dash by y. So upon integration, we'll get log of y dash is equal to log of y, and the integrating constant we can write as log of c. So this will give us log of y dash is equal to log of cy, and this will give us that y dash is equal to cy. We'll integrate once more. On integration, first we'll take this form to y dash by y is equal to c. So this will give us on integration log of y is equal to cx plus some constant, suppose d. So therefore we can write that y is equal to e to the power cx plus d, which will be equal to e to the power cx into e to the power d. Now this e to the power d is basically some constant which can be written as y is equal to f e to the power cx, which is basically the general solution of the given differential equation. So today we have solved a question which came in the section 4, which is the applied, which is basically the differential equation and calculus portion of the paper of NBHM 2018 paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.